Hi everyone, introducing an exciting innovation competition from Autodesk Instructables. So you can come to this platform Instructables, then you can submit your various DIY projects using Thrash. This is Thrash to Treasure contest. So in the Thrash to Treasure contest, they're celebrating creativity, sustainability and the art of giving discarded material a second chance or a second life. So you can look no further than your Thrash or recycling bin for project materials. You can transform used, broken, worn out, unwanted items into something beautiful you can build using DIY, that is do it yourself. And you can document entire thing and you can just publish it here in this platform. You can share your project with clear photos and step-by-step instruction so that others can follow along and inspire to reduce waste through making. So if you ever looked at a pile of junk and imagining it hits hidden potential, this is your chance to turn yesterday's trash into today's treasure. So they have 4 total judge prizes: Autodesk Design and Make Award for best use of Autodesk software and creation of your project, and 3 students judge prizes also. So they are giving gift cards. So there's 23 prizes as you can see. So there are various gift cards you will get. So it's people have started making various things. You can see this. They're using Thrash to make various projects which they upload into this website and people vote on it, and at the end finally jury decides the winner. So if you like this video, please do leave a like, and for such exciting opportunities from around the globe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel IdeaMella. And the last date for this competition is September 28th. Thank you very much.